Here's my first application of using trig functions. The sun shines on a tree and casts a shadow that's 60 feet long. Find the height of the tree if the angle of elevation of the sun is 72 degrees. It's the classic problem of measuring one side of a triangle to figure out something else. So you've got a tree standing here. Not sure what kind of tree it is, but there we go. And the sun is up in the sky shining somewhere here. Right, the sun's shining. One thing about drawing the sun is we always draw it on the same page as the tree. However, the sun is really very, very far away. But the point is, it shines, its rays come down, and the tree will block out the sun for some stretch of ground here, and that's the shadow. So we're told that this tree, the shadow of the tree is 60 feet. 60 degrees, come on now, 60 feet long. We're also told that the angle of elevation to the sun is 72 degrees. Angle of elevation means from the horizontal up. So I don't think I've drawn this very accurately because this is supposed to be 72 degrees right here. The question is, how tall is the tree? Let's call that h. I guess I have to assume that the tree's standing straight up and down, and that the ground is flat, because I need to have a right angle in order to do this. Later on in the quarter we'll be able to do it when there's not a right angle, but for the time being I have to assume a right angle here. So here's my picture. I've got a 72 degree angle, I've got a side length of 60, and I've got this unknown side. These two sides, that angle. What trig function are we talking? This looks to me like the tangent, the opposite and adjacent would make up the tangent. So what I have is the tangent of 72 degrees is h divided by 60. Solving for h by multiplying both sides by 60, I have h is 60 times the tangent of 72 degrees. Type that into my calculator. 60 times the tangent of 72 is, my calculator tells me that h is equal to 184.661. This is a tall tree. Okay. Just going to do a little double check to make sure I agree with this. This has got to be an 18 degree angle up here, and this is really not to scale because this is actually the small angle and this is the big angle, and 60 degrees is smaller than 180, so I'm feeling fairly confident that that's a reasonable answer. Right? I know one side, I'm finding another. I've got an angle. What trig function's involved? Solve for the unknown side.